This is the Steam Team wallpaper stripper. So to start with, clear the furniture out of the room. Protect your carpets and floors by putting down a dust sheet. Lay out the tools required, ready to start work. Place the steam stripper on the floor near the area to be stripped. Remove the steam plate and lay out the steam hose and power lead. Do not plug it in yet. To fill it, remove the filler cap and fill the water tank with clean, hot or cold tap water to a maximum of 2 inches from the top of the tank. It'll hold 6 litres of water, so somewhere between 2 and 3 kettles full. Try not to overfill it here. Replace the filler cap, ensuring a correct fit. Plug it in, ready to go. Do not run it off an extension cable. If possible, plug it into a wall that you are not stripping. The steam stripper will switch itself on automatically. Place the steam plate on the floor face up. If your wallpaper is painted over, or if it's waterproof, or if it is layer on top of layer on top of layer, you may want to use the wallpaper perforator to pierce holes into the wallpaper to allow the steam to get in underneath it. You can do this while you're waiting for the wallpaper stripper to heat up. Be gentle with the perforator as you do not want to damage the plasterboard. When you see steam coming out of the steam plate, it's ready to use. Start at the top of the wall and work across and down. Hold the steam plate in one hand and the stripping knife in the other. Place the steam plate against the surface of the covering to be stripped. Wait about 15 seconds, then move the steam plate across the wall to the next area, slightly overlapping the area just steamed. Loosen the edge of the covering with the stripping knife. A broad blade stripping knife will do. If the covering is difficult to strip, allow a little longer to steam. You will quickly learn how long you need to steam the wallpaper to make it easy to strip. Be careful when using the steam plate close to electrical sockets or switches. You'll get about 60 to 80 minutes out of a full tank of water. When the steam stops coming out of the steam plate, it's ready to be refilled. Unplug the wallpaper stripper. The filler cap will be hot. Use a glove or damp cloth to remove it and keep your face away. Remove the cap at an arm's length. Lift the red lever to release the steam. Push down and turn the cap anti-clockwise. Refill the tank with water. To refit the cap, push down against the spring pressure and turn clockwise approximately half a turn to the stop position. Lower the filler cap lever to lock. Plug the wallpaper stripper in and away you go again. On finishing the stripping job, unplug the wallpaper stripper. Before the steam stripper cools completely, carefully wipe down the body, the steam hose and the steam plate.